Hello everyone, my name is Oluwafemi Joseph. I'm a biomedical scientist. However, with the public health crisis that is rising throughout the world, we have influx of many cases from sporadic to epidemic, and if not contained, they are leading to pandemic. And one of the things that you will agree with me is that the best way to diagnose all this problem is to use molecular technique, highly specific, and it is highly sensitive, and that's what exactly gene experts use when it replicates TB, and it helps it to detect Mycobacterium tuberculosis even at its earliest stage. So I started learning about it, and we can impute or infuse gene therapy. Yes, if you are good in molecular biology, you can use gene therapy to treat patients, and vaccine development cannot be possible without molecular biology, so that you know the virulent strain, and you know what to attenuate, and you see if you can it is a gene that can be imputed into another vector. For example, hepatitis vaccine is done this way, and the yeast serve as vector. So we have many other applications of molecular biology. However, there are some things that is still unveiled about molecular biology, and one thing that we know about molecular biology is the nucleotide and the nucleoside. Then how do we know what all this is? That leads me to what is called bioinformatics. So, and bioinformatics is a course that uses computational tools and techniques to analyze and interpret biological data. So that's what they do. And as a biologist, come on, I only know nucleotide, I know nucleoside, yes, I know how to use system, but how do I know how to use technique to analyze and interpret those data so that it will be useful? Because if the data is not useful, then we are unable to detect it, and if somebody is not interpreting it, then we are not understanding the code. So that is what brings me into the molecular world. That's what brings me into learning more about molecular biology. And on this channel, like on this channel, what we'll be doing is we'll be learning molecular biology together. And I'll be glad to have each and every one of you on board. Thank you, and have a very wonderful time. Grab your pen, get your PC, and get yourself ready, as it will be a groundbreaking moment, because we are learning together. I'm new as well, so we are prone to mistake. We are prone to errors. However, the best way to learn is when we learn from our mistakes and from our error. So, without further ado, let's get into it.